Poland may be known for its stunning Tatra Mountains and legendary vodka, but a quiet revolution is turning the Eastern European nation into a global luxury hotspot, on the water. Meet Sunreef Yachts, the premium Polish yacht builder that's been changing the face of luxury sailing for over 20 years. With celebrity clients like tennis legend Rafael Nadal and Formula One star Fernando Alonso, Sunreef is now making headlines again with its bold new vision, the Sunreef NEXT. At the core of the Sunreef NEXT series is innovation that could truly reshape the yachting industry. Designed as an evolution of the company's already successful 60, 70, and 80-foot models, the NEXT lineup promises a level of eco-luxury never before seen at sea. Leading the charge is their revolutionary SolarSkin 3.0, a cutting-edge photovoltaic system built directly into the hull and superstructure of these marine masterpieces, with no visible frames and zero impact on aesthetics. This isn't just solar tech slapped onto a boat. SolarScan 3.0 boasts AI-controlled panels that dynamically optimize power output based on location, temperature, and shade conditions. Thanks to new generation solar cells, these panels perform even in low light or partial shade, ensuring energy efficiency across all latitudes and seasons. And with no aluminum frames, the yacht's sleek, clean design remains uninterrupted. Sunreef's solar technology has already seen successful implementation in earlier generations, with the second-gen panels offering an impressive 24.8% efficiency and resistance to over 100 degrees Celsius temperatures. Now, SolarSkin 3.0 sets the bar even higher, delivering enhanced performance and intelligent self-diagnosis through RFID chip integration. But the next series isn't just about solar innovation. Sunreef is taking luxury seriously. The yachts are being completely reimagined, from layout to materials. One of the standout features is the modular flybridge, now sitting above a new ocean lounge, a fold-out beach club that opens directly to the sea. This feature is typically reserved for super yachts, but Sunreef is scaling it down for more accessible sizes. The reconfigured bow terrace offers personalized configurations, including trampolines and built-in sun pads, allowing owners to design their dream relaxation zones. Interior spaces have been radically redesigned as well, focusing on organic shapes, lighter materials, and more open-plan living. Master suites now even feature full-sized bathtubs, a rarity in this category. There's something for the entire family on board. Children's bunk bedrooms, spa-style bathrooms, private workspaces, and dedicated fitness areas. Each yacht also includes fold-out terraces, integrated garages, swim platforms, and tender docks, seamlessly embedded into the design, making for both elegant aesthetics and top-tier functionality. In a notable step toward environmental responsibility, Sunreef is ditching traditional teak decking in favor of sustainable, durable alternatives. While details on the materials are still under wraps, it's clear that the brand is serious about aligning luxury with eco-conscious choices. What does all this cost? Prices vary widely depending on customization, but expect to start at around $600,000, with fully outfitted models running into several million. But for the clientele Sunreef is targeting, those who see a yacht not just as transportation, but as a floating lifestyle statement, price is likely not a deterrent. Sunreef Yachts is no longer just a local name in Gdansk. With innovations like the SolarSkin 3.0 and a commitment to redefining luxury with sustainability, Poland is now firmly on the global yachting map. As the Sunreef NEXT fleet prepares to launch, the world watches with anticipation. This is more than just a yacht. It's the future of eco-luxury at sea.